is a world-leading smart energy solutions provider. It is one of the most reliable brands integrating design, manufacturing, sales and service in the field of high, medium, and low voltage in China. The gas insulation switchgear product line, as an important component, provides customers with integrated products and services throughout the entire life cycle. CHINT Jiaxing Factory is one of the most advanced, highly digitalized, and largest single-capacity digital distribution manufacturing plants in the industry. The gas insulation switchgear product line mainly produces full range of gas-insulated switchgear from 6 kV to 40.5 kV. It is widely used in power grids, oil, petrochemicals, metallurgy, construction, communications, new energy power plants, urban rail transit, and other fields. SF6 gas-insulated ring main units have a compact design, high safety and reliability, and are maintenance-free. They are resistant to humidity, salt fog, and have strong adaptability to high altitudes, providing a full range of products and services for secondary distribution. SF6 gas-insulated switchgear provides a full range of product solutions for the primary transmission field, which is energy-intensive and demands absolute reliability in power supply. Safe, reliable, and environmentally friendly gas-insulated switchgear has been widely used in the power grid and other industries. In addition, we also offer a full range of all-door solutions with flexible structures, high degrees of systematic and intelligent integration, enabled to provide customers with one-stop turnkey solution. Our independent product technology research institute, along with our platform-based product design process management system, has significantly shortened the development cycle. We continue to explore a path of safe, reliable, low-carbon, green, intelligent, and environmentally friendly products. We have multiple flexible production lines, safe-designed tooling equipment, unique processes, and advanced technology. Our factory fully implements an order-based production model, greatly shortening manufacturing and delivery cycles. We do not accept any single defective product leaving the factory. From supplier selection to product operation, the company implements a full process quality control system, achieving automated integration and online testing of critical processes, as well as prefabricated and digital manufacturing. We have a vast network of professional service stations globally, capable of providing customers with fast and efficient comprehensive services. We have established a product management platform to continuously monitor every product sold. Create a product, support a project, and establish a monument. CHINT constantly pursues innovation and excellence, supporting the safety, stability, and efficiency of power systems across various industries.